Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by fan, my brother Ikama Obanu Puma.
You know, number one supporter of Sundowns.
What's the truth of the matter, my brother?
Truth of the matter, it was a practice game. Namhlanje practice game. You know, when did you see Sundowns winning MTN?
I've never.
Exactly. Every back check.
Yes.
Check.
Yes.
When did Sundowns win MTN?
I got it.
So Chida is a practice.
The practice there?
Exactly. My Ngoba is trying to implement the new system.
Yes.
The new system,
yes,
of which even Rulani,
yes,
never took the Rulani himself.
Yeah.
Shaitika.
Yeah.
Never.
Kumbulu Rulan. Kumbulu Rulan.
Rulan never took MTN.
Kumbulu Rulan.
It's exactly our preference. Our preference.
Yes. Yes.
Rulan did his job.
Yes.
Passed. General Manager. Sundowns. Ask him Chichi Poyalet. Yes. Alright, John, don't touch the 5 games. Don't touch the 5 games.
5 games.
Don't touch the 5 games.
Uzomupi thuba ngamanje.
Ngomanje ithuba.
Yeah.
Njengamanje besingadlala ibhola elibhidayo.
Ngiyathola.
It's just a small part which is going to.
Yes, Baba wami.
And we continue We know our aim is Africa.
Ubani ozowina MTN?
Our aim is Africa. No, our practices.
Yeah.
I never practice again.
Stellenbosch.
Sabai, mina ngokuhamba ngithi i-team endala sindike Pirates bajabude.
Yeah.
Because bangadissolve.
Yeah.
Ngoba dissolve phela bangatsho ilutho.
Pirates izodissolve mangawini.
Bangawina dissolve, boy usho ukuthi phela ayikho into yabo. Bengahlala benza into eyi-1.
Yakwina MTN 8.
Hayi njalo nje MTN 8 bona.
Hawo. Bathi uzoyiwina nini MTN 8 wena?
Noma singena show. Bengayibamba yona asina show.
Thank you bhuti wami. Asibonge.
Hayi.